DamnrightIGotKnives here with another evening of a knife review. Gonna start with this right here, Roky Erickson and the Aliens. This is an early pressing. It came out in 1981. The classic songs on here. Such a great album. If you don't know much about Roky Erickson, founding member of the 13th Floor Elevators, which was supposedly the first band to refer to themselves as psychedelic rock. Heavily influential on a lot of people. 13th Floor Elevators were an amazing band, psychedelic band, but Roky Erickson and the Aliens was more rock and actually really freaking cool stuff. Great lyrics. Everything. There's a great documentary on him called You're Gonna Miss Me. It's amazing and sad and everything all at once. He had a really crazy life. He went to prison for a while for having one single marijuana joint in his pocket in 1969 and spent 3 years in prison where they electroshocked him and really kind of messed him up. He got out and started Roky Erickson and the Aliens. Just so much about this man that is interesting. So really the best thing you can do is just read about it, find out about it, watch the documentary, and just pretty amazing stuff. When you really dig into his music, it's there's nothing like it. It's really one of a kind. Roky Erickson died in 2019. Yeah, they were a band from Austin, Texas. Check them out. Moving along. I'm drinking this. It's tropical turmeric, wild tonic, hard Jun kombucha, 5.6% alcohol. The difference between Jun and kombucha is Jun is made with honey as a sweetener. And you can kind of taste that honey in here. I'm gonna give it a little taste here. You can smell the honey as you're tasting it. It's light though. It's not like this overly sweet honey flavor. It's nice. It's really mellow on the honey, but just enough to get that hint in there. Wild tonic. I like this. Turmeric in there. This is only maybe my second or third time trying them. I couldn't really remember if I liked it or not. I just picked it up at the store because it sounded good. And you know what? It is good. Jun is a combination of honey, tea, fruit, herbs and spices, and botanicals. Jun is a cousin of the traditional kombucha. It's a bit smoother, lighter, and absent of the vinegar bite common in traditional kombuchas. That's good. I like that. I like the blue bottle. I like the way it looks like an old medicine bottle or something. It's done well. A lady started this company because she was into bees and wax and fermentation, got into making her own Jun. Probiotics, prebiotics, amino acids, bacteria, an ancient median love created by the bees. The rare fermentation known as Jun. Try editing that. Anyways, I approve of this stuff. It's really good. Check it out. Wild tonic Jun kombucha. I don't know how the other flavors are, but this one's tropical turmeric. Remember to like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Moving right along. I got this today from DLT Trading. Let's open this. Ooh, let's see what we got here. Put this box out of the way. DLT Trading Summer Adventure 2020. Nice. Thank you. And packaging slip. That's nice. They even wrapped it in a little piece of paper. Another FINCH knife. I was having such a hard time deciding the first time between the styles of knives. After loving the first one so much, I decided to go ahead and get this one. There it is. There's what I got. Nice box. Keep life from getting dull. And that's what I'm doing. So here we go. The stickers, flipping the FINCH, a Band-Aid, see-through warranty card. There it is there. The nice FINCH box, velvet, and the foam going all the way through. The box is made nice and they give you these cool little things. And I'll go ahead and take it out of here. That is beautiful. Here, let's just get these out of the way. Look at that. These have a weight to them. And that's what I noticed about the last one. And I kind of like that. And I like the pocket clip. The Runtley I got, the pocket clip is great. I don't have a problem with the pen style. I'm gonna get into it more, but first let's go ahead and flip the Finch. Ooh. And look at that blade. That blade is so cool. I've heard people say this knife is ugly, and I don't think so. Comes in a blue, a green, maybe there's another color, but the black to me just looked really good quality. The blue looks a little toyish. The red to me looks really nice on the Runtley because it has the Swiss Army kind of feel to it. But as far as like a bigger knife, which it's not a big knife, but bigger than the Runtley, this knife in black, nice and elegant looking to me. The Tikuna right there. And the belly here at the point, and the way it goes back thinner. So I'll get into this more here. I just wanted to do this part of the unboxing. I've been carrying this knife now for the past week. Did the opening, and now I'm talking about it after having it and carrying it. And it's strong, it's beefy, it's really feels good in your pocket. You know where it's at, but it's not too heavy either. I really like the raised mountainous G10 going on. It does look like a little machete. You can see it there. It's just thick, nice. I keep talking about this, but their logo, if you look, it's not like outlined, but it's traced where you can see that the writing, it's a great font to pick, first of all, and then it's just done really well and classy, and I really like that a lot. I think that just looks really good. This glows in the dark really quick. Yeah, you can see it glowing in there. I barely held it to the light for about a second. Some things about this, honestly, the flipper is kind of a bit hard on your finger. It's not bad. I mean, I can do it. Compared to, say, my ProTech Malibu or some other things, I kind of tend to like to do this. I just grab a little bit of the side of the clip, and I just do it like that, and it goes right up. This way is fine too, but you know, it wears on your finger a bit there, but like that, no problem. The other thing I noticed, I really like this knife all the way around, but there's this here, and you know, I'm a little bit weird about certain things, and I know that's during the process of making this knife, that's a necessary thing. But if you look, it's not straight across and kind of comes into some of the jimping right here for the flipper tab. It's not a perfect make there. So what that does is, if you look, that's coming and it's resting against that. And that's probably why it's not coated, as you see right there. It's not a big deal. It doesn't make me hate this knife or anything like that. The other thing that happens with this, I've noticed, carrying it, is when I close this, this blade is heavy. And you can already see a couple little nicks right there where it got me. I'm a little bit more cautious now when I close this, because if you do it quick, it will get you. I really like this knife. Let's talk about it a little bit. Overall length is 7 inches. Let's take a look at that. Yep. Closed length would be 4. Blade length is 3. That would make 7. The blade steel is 154 cm, black coated, liner lock. The weight is 3.95 ounces. It's made in China, and I didn't know that before when I got into the Finches. Bought my Runtley and now bought this. It's great. Country of origin was China. Who cares? It's a great knife. It's made really well. I like it a lot. A couple little things here and there, but overall, really good. I like the spacer here in black. I think that's G10 also. The blade height is 1 inch. The handle height is 1 inch. The pocket clip right there is tip up carry. Designed in Stillwell, Kansas. Manufactured in China. That's the story I got straight now. Let's check it out next to a couple other knives here. How about the Benchmade 940? Paramilitary 2. How about the Benchmade Bug Out? ProTech Malibu. This will be interesting. The Tengu Flipper Benchmade. Very similar length there. Finch is a little longer. It's somewhere between that Malibu, close to that Bug Out. Very similar. And there you go. Finds its own place there in the collection. Really nice. Let's go ahead and put these away. Let's see how sharp it is. All right, let's clean this up. But again, you know, I've been using it all week long cutting, and I have been using it on boxes and different things. I really like the sound. The feel in your hand is good. The grip is good. It's got this jimping up here on the top of the blade. You can see it's kind of rounded. It's not too aggressive, and it feels good. And it's got this little, lets you know when you're getting close. I like it. Feels good. Maybe not this way, but this way is good. You know, this is something that's already made it into my regular rotation. I'm carrying it. This will definitely be a knife that I turn to and carry because it's super useful and beefy and strong. Fit and finish is all good. Little things I mentioned, but I mean, it's made well. You know, I can't really complain too much about it because things I complained about are you know, are reasonable. The pocket clip is good, nice and strong, sturdy. Worked good in my pocket all week. I never lost it, never felt like it was, you know, messing with my pants or centering. It's kind of hard to see there, but it's right on the nose. I like that size. My 4 fingers fit in there. All right, remember to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. Damn right, I got knives signing out. I'll catch you guys later.